The Kenya National Examinations Council. Kenya Primary School Education Assessment. Creative Arts and Social Studies Diagnostic Test. Grade 6. 1 hour 40 minutes. One. The picture below was drawn from observation. Choose 2 art elements used in the picture. A. Line and texture. B. Space and value. C. Balance and line. D. Color and shape. 2. Grade 5 learners were discussing their artworks and discovered some of the objects had different shapes and sizes. Identify the principle of art that relates to different shapes and sizes. A. Balance. B. Proportion. C. Symmetry. D. Rhythm. 3. The picture below shows a value gradation strip. Arrange the gradation in correct order from light to dark. A. 2, 3, I, 4. B. 2, 4, I, 3. C. 3, I, 4, 2. D. 4, 2, 3, I, 4. The pictorial composition below was made using crayon etching technique. What was the last step in completing the process? A. Drying the artwork. B. Applying black ink. C. Scratching with a sharp tool. D. Applying colored waxy crayons. 5. A group of learners cleaned up after modeling with clay. Which of the following is not a reason for cleaning up? A. To avoid making surfaces dirty. B. To keep clean and healthy. C. To make hands sticky. D. To prevent diseases. 6. You are to reuse leather for a class assignment. Which one of the following is not recycled leather? A. Old belts. B. Old bags. C. Torn shoes. D. Animal hides. 7. During a tie and dye practical session, Omar dipped a yellow t-shirt in blue dye. How did the blue dye affect the color of the t-shirt? A. There was no change in color. B. Color changed to purple. C. Color changed to green. D. Color faded. 8. Nala took the photograph shown below. Identify the elements of photography that Nala needs to improve on. A. Focus and lighting. B. Focus and placement. C. Viewpoint and lighting. D. Lighting and background. 9. Your school drama club is to present a play using a rod puppet. Which of the following is not the correct way of moving a puppet during a presentation? A. Put the rod puppet on the side while talking. B. Move the rod puppet sideways while talking. C. Talk and smile while moving the rod puppet. D. Move the rod puppet up and down while talking. 10. A learner created the artwork below and framed it using matting technique. Arrange the following steps in the correct order of framing the artwork. 1. Measure. 2. Stick the artwork. 3. Cut out the mat. 4. Trim the artwork. A. 2, 4, 3, I. B. I, 3, 4, 2. C. 4, 2, 3, I. D. 3, 4, I, 2. 11. Why is the East African Community (EAC) anthem performed? A. For entertainment in the EAC. B. To address issues affecting the EAC. C. To bring unity among the people in the EAC. D. To promote culture in the EAC. Use the picture below to answer questions 12 and 13. 12. The parts labeled X, Y, and Z are. 13. Which materials can be used to make the instrument above? A. Hollow wood, animal skin, strings. B. Hollow wood, piece of cloth, strings. C. Hollow wood, animal skin, metal rod. D. Hollow wood, piece of cloth, animal skin. 14. Kipkurui performed a tune using Solefe hand signs as shown below. Which sol 4 syllables represent the tune performed by Kipkurui? A. MDRSFDRM. B. DMRSFSMD. C. DMRSFMRD. D. MDRSFMRD. 15. Mary played 6 notes on a descant recorder using the fingering and French rhythm indicated in the diagrams below. Which tune did she play? (16) Study melodies I and II below and answer the question that follows. Which statement is true about these melodies? A. The melodies have similar rhythms. B. The note at the end of each of the melodies is a crotchet. C. The first 4 notes are similar in pitch and rhythm. D. The melodies have a similar pitch and rhythm. 17. John heard his mother singing to soothe his little brother to sleep. Which sentence below best describes how his mother sang? A. Fast and soft. B. Slow and soft. C. Fast and loud. D. Slow and loud. 18. Which musical term describes loudness and softness of a song? A. Tempo. B. Dynamics. C. Pitch. D. Structure. 19. Rewrite the following French rhythm using note symbols. 30 ETA 30 30 ETA TA 30 ETA. 20. Which of the note symbols below is correctly matched with its corresponding rest? (21) James, a new pupil, has joined Killer School. After entering the gate he came across the signpost below. Which direction will he follow in order to go to the offices? A. West. B. Northeast. C. East. D. Southwest. Use the diagram below to answer question 22 and 23. 22. Which one of the activities in the village above is an economic activity? A. Health post. B. Church. C. Chief's office. D. Tea farm. 23. The administrative activity in the village is shown by the presence of the A. Church. B. Water point. C. Health center. D. Chief's office. 24. Grade 5 pupils made a chart with the following characteristics of a climate found in Kenya. It has 2 rainy seasons. It has moderate temperatures. It receives high rainfall. It has high humidity. The type of climate described is A. Desert. B. Semi-desert. C. Modified equatorial. D. Subtropical. 25. The language group that migrated from southern Sudan through the Nile Valley and settled around the eastern shores of Lake Victoria in Kenya is called A. River Lake Nilotes. B. Western Bantu. C. Highland Nilotes. D. Plain Nilotes. Hey amazing students! As you gear up for your national exams, remember that every moment counts. We are here to support you every step of the way with free, intensive practice sessions that will boost your confidence and help you excel. Join us in the remaining days before the exams, subscribe, like, and share our page so you don't miss out on these valuable practice opportunities. Let's work together, stay motivated, and make your dreams a reality. Together, we can achieve greatness. See you in the next session, and let's make these exams your best yet. 26. Which of the traditional cultural activities below are not encouraged by children's rights? A. Education. B. Circumcision. C. Naming. 27. Which is the best way to conserve the historic built environments? A. Following laws and regulations. B. Protecting them from destruction. C. Repairing the damaged. D. Involving the community. 28. Which one of the following lakes is not found within the Rift Valley of Kenya? A. Lake Elementator. B. Lake Paradise. C. Lake Kanyambali. D. Lake Nkanga. 29. Lake Victoria is important to the economy of Kenya mainly because it A. Uses idle land. B. Conserves the environment. C. Provides employment. D. Provides security. 30. James, a traditional blacksmith, is teaching Ali how to make iron tools. The method he uses is called A. Storytelling. B. Apprenticeship. C. Wise sayings. D. Formal education. 31. Philip, the grade 4 learner, came across the road sign below at a junction. The sign turned red. What action should he take? A. Look right and left, then cross the road. B. Cross the road using the pedestrian walk. C. Observe how the people are crossing the road and cross. D. Stop and wait for the sign to turn green, then cross. Use the picture below to answer question 32. 32. The method of farming practiced by the farmer in the picture above is known as A. Subsistence farming. B. Large-scale farming. C. Dairy farming. D. Horticulture farming. 33. Juma, a businessman, is planning to transport fresh fish from Kisumu to sell in Mombasa. Which is the fastest form of transport for him to use? A. Road. B. Railway. C. Air. D. Water. 34. Grade 5 learners were asked to make a poster with communication messages to advertise an economic activity practiced in Kenya. 1. Beaches in Kenya are sandy and clean. 2. Welcome to Kenya, the home of rhinos. 3. Fishing in the ocean makes Kenya rich. 4. Kenya has rich cultural heritage. 5. Horticulture makes Kenya famous. Which one of the following group of messages will promote tourism? A. I2V. B. 2, 3, 4. C. I3V. D. I2, 4. 35. Jane did not clean the classroom because she came late to school. Which qualities of a good citizen is Jane lacking? A. Responsibility. B. Kindness. C. Caring. D. Honesty.